on YouTube. Just waiting for YouTube. One moment, please. Okay, so I think now it works on YouTube. Please, if you now in the LinkedIn or Twitter, you can go to YouTube. So it is, I think, better go to YouTube because YouTube usually streams. Yeah, the quality of the stream is better. I don't know why, but I recommend you watch the stream from YouTube. So better. Yeah. So now it works. I mean, I need to set the resolutions. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So hello, guys. Thank you for coming on this the third day of the stream of the second challenge. So the first challenge was 4 days MVP, and we have done in 10 days. But now it is 7. Yeah, it is 7 days. So on this stream we. One moment. So in this stream, we develop, we plan, design and develop MVP and show how we do it in 7 days. And yes, so you will see it in live. You will see live. So now the third day. So on the first day we plan the product. Our product is the portfolio publisher for no-code developers and like platform for. And the how to say selector of developers for customers. So it will be like marketplace, but with focus on portfolio publisher, because yeah, I just found out after many communications with developers that they don't have their website with portfolio, and because it's like hard to create, you need to spend time for that, and but our good portfolio usually boost your conversion rate to order. And yeah, so we start the no-code hub. This is like the big idea with many products, and the first product is portfolio publisher for no-code developers, and selector for selector tool for searching for and select right developer for the project for customers in no-code field. And so yeah, I'm Alex. I'm the founder of High No Code Agency, and this no code new project, No Code Hub, I No Code. And yeah, let's start. In our agency we develop different products with no code, like CRM systems, ERP systems, apps, and like from the easiest one like MVP to to hard ones, so like CRM systems, and but my like the main project will become the no-code hub, and yeah, we started with these two simple products, and we'll continue work with that later. So, and yeah, let's first review what we have done for past few days. So first day we had product day where we just planned the product, and the second day where we create the design. And I want to show it what we have done, and then on this day, plan of this day, we will develop all our created design. So like the best designer Vadim, you can find down the link under the video created for as design for portfolio part, and now we have a developer. I will meet you with this developer later in a few minutes, and he will work in Bubble with our product today, and not only today, tomorrow too. And today we should finish with the portfolio publisher. I think so. This is the plan. And it will be around like 2 hours stream, and maybe 2 hours and a half. So yeah, let's find out what we have here. So what we have done for the last 2 days. So yeah, first day we created Kanban, like product, not Kanban, product canvas with the solutions, segments, problems, and jobs to be done. So it helped us to understand the market and prepare to our like base of the product, because according for that we started to research and looking for solutions which we already have on the market. And I just want to remember you that we found out some marketplaces, no-code marketplaces, and researched, but these like marketplaces like Heap, CodeMap, and NuCode, they have many complexities. For example, CodeMap very complex. Heap, it has a good UI, but I couldn't do something there. So like it's like very strange interface, and UX is very bad. And NuCode, it doesn't work for portfolio publishers. And so like, but it is like we discovered these competitors for marketplaces. But marketplace is like the second little part of the product. The main part for us, it is the portfolio publisher, because in portfolio publisher now developers can create their websites and go to website builders like Tilda, Bubble, Webflow, but you need to spend time for that. So I met some developers who spent time for that, but it's like 1 of 10. You can just have links to your projects, but when when you have the link, so like customers won't go to the website and trying to find something similar with this project, with projects or something else. So like you can't so as a customer want to fast to understand if you have the relevant experience in this in my project. And I can do it only like for quick view on the description, see the skills which you had in this, yeah, skills or features which you implemented in this project and think. So if my product match with this feature, with this experience or not. And this is very, very important job in jobs to be done framework. And we we have, yeah, we want to solve it. And yeah, we just analyze the market. Then we go and we just created the flow. We just realized that we can have all the first form on the landing page. Then we have some screens for review the portfolio and publish it. And then after like these two steps, you will have your portfolio. Pretty easy, pretty simple. We have also flow of the customer. The same, you just fill in the form and then go to developers, list of developers, or for now maybe we just will send to the screen that, okay, thank you for your request, we will select you right developer. And the second day we created the design in Figma. So we created Vadim created this amazing design. So we have landing page with the it is like the form for publishing. We have view, view after after filling the landing page here. And then you just register and go inside the platform, and you can always edit your portfolio and in editor, and then just publish and share the link to this portfolio with somebody else. So yeah, this is the idea and this is the design, and now we will implement this design in Bubble. So and yeah, so that's all what I wanted to present to you for now. Yeah, I need few seconds for publishing the stream in my social networks for more viewers. One moment, please. So let's share it. Oh, we have comments. So we have comments. What the life cycle of such images? So the layout is not clearly visible. The video quality is poor. A good blogger looks carefully at comments. They grow and okay. So video quality is poor. Yeah, we use Restream in this video, in this stream, and I think this is the reason of bad quality. I'm sorry about that, but I don't know how to use OBS with two people, and yes, this is the reason. So I think tomorrow we will change it to OBS 2. I hope that Restream will work okay, but as we see, no. So sorry about that. So I want to share this to my social networks, and we can start after that the development part. And yeah, so let's take a photo. And so yeah, we want to make finish with the bubble with bubble with with bubble implementation today, I think. So with whole with this whole part, and let's see. Maybe we will. Um, maybe not today. Maybe we'll need one more day. Let's see how it will be. So now I want to invite um, our developer Amin. So I don't know is it right pronunciation of your name or not. So let's. I want to on my screen and share the screen. Hello. Hello, Amin. So,
Hi, Alex.
am I right that so is it right your pronunciation? Yeah, Amin. Yeah,
No, it's actually
Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so this is our developer for this MVP for this project. I found Amin in LinkedIn. I just I think I wrote the I made outbound messages when I looked for developers in our team, and Emin like watched some stream, the first stream, and he was very interested about the idea, and I don't know how, but it was helpful for him for see how we develop with Adala on Adala, because Emin is like professional developer, like code developer in the past, and now like one past one last year. So Emin works with the Bubble. Am I right?
Yes,
Yeah. So and
I worked, I
by the
worked
way,
with
we yep.
Bubble, Make, Software, you name it, Airtable, all that stuff.
Yeah, yeah, okay, yeah, like usual stack. But the main is Bubble, I think, and
Exactly.
yeah, and so thank you for coming. And if you, by the way, we will I will attach now during the stream in the comments contacts of Emin, and if you need to development, so I don't know your availability, Emin. I think so you're like pretty busy usually because you're a good developer, but yeah, if you maybe you will have a chance to work with Eamon. So and yeah, can you send some words about yourself, just where you from originally, and how you came to no code, how you became the developer? Because I'm always interested in this path, people path and no code, because like they're very different. So like in some cases people just work the like different job and not relevant to development, and they find no code, and then start to be developer. And how about you? So how you started no code, and yeah, and some words about yourself. Your maybe how old are you? Where you from? Yeah.
Yeah. So first off, thank you for having me, Alex. And well, to start with, hi guys, I'm Ayman. I'm 23. I live in Algeria. It's in North Africa, and I've been doing web development traditionally before no code. I've done it using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I've also used React.js frameworks for front end, back end as well with Laravel and so on. And then I migrated last year to no code. I started discovering no code before last year. It was throughout Shopify, Wix, and then I wasn't really convinced with Wix and other platforms then, and I found about like around 2 months later, I found out about Bubble.io, and from there it went like the rest is history. I started working with Bubble.io, personal projects, moved on to courses, and then started working with clients such as Knowledge Hunt, Social Max, Turton Real Estate, and now currently working with another developer, and also working with Pit Alert, which is a big company in France. And yeah,
Cool, cool. I'm 23 too, so well, it's a good age for no code.
yeah.
Okay, yeah. Cool. So, what do you think about the project? What about this idea? So, you already reviewed the files, and yeah, what do you think? It's interesting
Yeah,
to
yeah, I
understand.
love the idea. I've been like I went through the live stream that you had before for the start of this MVP during the actual analysis for the other competitors and so on. And I see that you guys actually managed not to only design something better, but also have a better experience designed for users, so they wouldn't have any issues trying to, let's say, create their portfolio, to sign up. It's much quicker and it's a better process and a faster workflow for sure. And the design was very much well made. Props to the designer. Great work, man. But yeah, I really love the concept, and I'd love to see this grow into something actually great in the future.
Cool, cool. Thank you. By the way, you have you got this problem because I believe that like all developers have this problem of publishing portfolio. By the way, you I when I asked you your portfolio, you sent the Upwork profile, and you know, in some cases, it's good when you have the reviews because like Upwork, it's like proof, social proof that you had the had clients. But yeah, do you do you have have you had this problem or not really, and you just now enough with the it's like your portfolio is enough for you.
Yeah.
So
So
no, the
with the
Upwork,
portfolio,
Upwork is enough for you for portfolio. Yeah.
yeah. Yeah. So with Upwork, the reason I send it, like you said, it's social proof, because you can't actually get reviews without actually ending up being hired, working and getting paid for the reviews to actually go through. So it's more of a solid proof that you actually have done work with people and clients. So that's why I prefer like to send something such as Upwork is. It's very much a good place to find not only clients but to also get really great and solid groundwork for your career as a developer, and then you can move on to like an actual career that you can pursue throughout. Let's go to LinkedIn and get recruited by a company and so on and so forth.
Okay, yeah, because I like many times when I communicated with developers, faced with the problem that developers have just links to their projects, and you see this and you can't understand this the all features which they faced with and yeah, and moreover, so like for me like a customer, I have I need to, so ideally I want always to find the developer who already worked with the same features uh, which I'm required for the project, my requirements, and they usually, yeah, they can't give this list, and but yeah, if I think if you have like good portfolio with good description, it will be enough for start. So I mean, you don't need to have your another blogs on your website, like something complex, just portfolio and that's all. Okay, so let's start. Can you, like in some words, say how you see the process of build this this is product on Bubble? So how you can now not show the screen, just your plan of how what you will do first or the second. So how do you think?
Yep. The process for a build like this for this MVP, since we already have a Figma file, Figma prototype, we're gonna be able to use the bubble import. So basically, we're gonna import the design on from Figma to Bubble, and then we're gonna start actually processing the design elements and getting it to work with the actual elements that are within Bubble. Since the actual Figma import is not like totally accurate, where you just import the Figma elements and the prototypes into Bubble, and it's like already there. That's not how it works. You have to first import it, and then you start like processing step by step, seeing each element, and then replacing it with the corresponding element. For example, in Figma, an input would be a box or a rectangle, and in Bubble, it will be an input element type of input. That's how it works. As an example. So, should I share my screen?
Yeah, so we can. So first you will import, and then you will set the backend logic, right? So this is the plan.
Yeah, this is the plan.
Okay, so yeah, like let's start with the sharing your screen. Yeah, if you have comments, you can comment it. So you just need to tap like share the screen, and yeah, yeah,
Can
now
you see the
screen is
screen?
sharing. Yes, yes, now I can see. And I have um, yeah, I have important notice when you will do something, try to zoom it as maximum as you want, as you can, because on the screen we have not, I think, the not the best quality of the
Oh,
video
okay.
in the stream. And yeah, I couldn't find a way to uh, do like dual stream in OBS. It has very good quality, but yeah, Restream is like web solution, and they compress the no, it's like so Najib when asked if we have 1000p quality, but no, we don't have here. So oh no, we can do it. So we need to buy the plan. Okay, let's buy the plan. So so yeah, it cost something, but yeah, let's buy the plan because we will have a better quality here. Okay, yeah, you can. I think okay, you now we
Should
can
I?
change quality to the best one.
Okay.
Uh, and one moment, maybe I need
Right.
to.
Just take your time.
Yeah, I just yeah. Uh, okay, so quality selection disabled while live. Okay, I think we need to have this quality because yeah, I think we can just stop. We can change quality now. Okay, let's continue now. If it will be, if quality will be, I just want to check now the YouTube. So uh, if uh, if the
All right.
quality will be bad, so yep.
Should we go on? How is the quality, guys?
I think so. I think now it's better. So
Okay.
I
Well
think
then,
it is better. Yeah.
let's start. So, as you guys can see, this is the Figma prototype that the designer have provided us for the MVP. By the way, Alex, could you turn off the speakers? Like returning the sound. Thank you. Awesome. Now, as you guys can see, so we got our prototype here. We have all the inputs that are possible. Let's say the tags that we're gonna create on Bubble. Here is how the uploader is gonna look without any kind of upload. No file was uploaded. Let's say there is an error, it will show this. And also, this is for the page where you're supposed to publish your no-code portfolio as a developer. As you can see, it says right here as a header, publish your no-code portfolio in 5 minutes. Going to describe the projects that you have created. So this is going to be the first project you're going to add to your portfolio. So this is going to be the first page ever if you register. And you get the title here, project name, description for the project, the link to the project, tools, which is going to probably use this one, the tools used here, this field, which is gonna have this custom dropdown, and then a bunch of repeating groups for each tag that gets added. Well, let's go continue, and yeah, fill out your profile, full name, and you get something like this. So this is when you fill up, you finish all the data that you want to fill in, all the information, the title for the project, the description, so on, so forth. And yeah, let's move on. This is for the sign up, and then email verification. So basically, today what we're gonna do is just implement these pages, as you guys can see. These pages you see right here, we're gonna implement them into Bubble.io, right on this app. So how would we actually do that? We would go to settings, go to general, and here we are. There is something called design import. You can import design files from Figma into your Bubble app here. So basically, using an API key, we're going to be able to actually get in a Figma file ID as well. We're going to be able to import the design from Figma into Bubble throughout the API key and the Figma file ID. So what we're going to do to do that, we're going to go to our account settings, and we're going to go down here. We're going to create a new token and revoke the access for this one. Code API. Enter token, and of course, well, I don't really have access to this Figma file as an editor, so I'm gonna create a new design that just takes the important files that we have here. So let's copy this. We're gonna
Maybe
duplicate this.
maybe you can make duplicate.
Exactly. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go here. Here we go. Now we have access to our duplicate, code, as you guys can see, now we have the duplicate here on Figma. Now we're gonna get to actually the implementation, and if you guys remember, we need a Figma file ID. The file ID is located in the URL, as you can see right here. So we're gonna copy that. I'm gonna go to Bubble, and we're gonna click on imports, and we'll see the magic happening. Do you guys have any questions?
I mean, I think we need to recreate this stream because I can't I can update this quality in this stream, so it's like
Okay.
720 now, and so we will lost some viewers, but it will be better because we will have in this when it will be recorded, so people can see how to do the projects and it will be useful. But now, because now I just see the quality, and it's not, yeah, it's in a bad quality. So let's.
Yeah,
I want to recreate the stream and just send
let's do
you
that.
the link to the chat to in LinkedIn. Okay.
Okay.